Welcome to Rose Project for 11th Science conducted by Yashwantrao Chavan Institute of Science, Satara. So this is the third lecture for the topic straight line. So in this lecture, we will discuss the various standard forms of equation of a line, in which first point slope form, then slope intercept form, 2-point form, double intercept form, and normal form. So let us see each form one by one. So first, point slope form. To find the equation of a line having slope m and which passes through the point ax1, y1. Now we have to find the equation of a line having slope m and passes through the point ax1, y1. आपल्याला दिलेल्या पॉइंट मधून जाणारा दिलेले स्लोप असणारे लाईनचे इक्वेशन काढायचे आहे. सो कन्सिडर दिस इज द लाइन and which passes through the point ax1, y1. Let L be the line passing through the point ax1, y1. So this is the line L passing through the point ax1, y1 and having slope m. Let pxy be any point on the line L other than a. So this is the point pxy be any point other than a on the same line. Then slope of the line L. Then the slope of line L is, so difference between y coordinate upon difference between x coordinate. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Here y minus y1 upon x minus x1. But the slope of the line L is m, which is given. पण दिलेल्या लाईनचा स्लोप m आहे हे दिलेला आहे. So if any line has unique slope, प्रत्येक लाईनला एक आणि एक स्लोप असतो. So therefore y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to m. Now we solve this equation. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So this is the point slope form of equation of a line. Point slope form of equation of a line. In particular, if the line passes through the origin 0, 0 and has slope m, then its equation is, so suppose the line passes through origin 0, 0. So x1 is 0, y1 is 0. So replace y1 x1 by 0. So y minus 0 is equal to m x minus 0. So y is equal to mx. So this is the equation of a line passing through origin and having slope m. जर लाइन ओरिजिन मधून पास होत असेल तर फक्त आपल्याला स्लोप m माहित पाहिजे, आपण इक्वेशन काढू शकतो. आता हा पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म कधी यूज करायचा, जर दिलेल्या विचारलेल्या लाईन वरचा एक पॉइंट माहित असेल आणि त्या लाईनचा स्लोप माहित असेल तर हा पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म वापरून इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन काढायचं. स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म. सो दिस इज द लाइन L1, px1, y1 be any point, and this is the y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So there are questions on this form. What is the equation of line passing through the origin 0, 0 having slope 2? So y is equal to 2x. Next, slope intercept form. To find the equation of the line having slope m and which makes intercept c on the y-axis. जर आपल्याला एखाद्या लाईनचा स्लोप m दिला असेल आणि त्यांना y ऍक्सिस सी केलेला इंटरसेप्ट दिला असेल तर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन कशी असेल. सो लेट दिस इज द लाइन, इट इंटरसेक्ट y ऍक्सिस किंवा त्याचा y इंटरसेप्ट जो आहे तो c आहे. सो दिस डिस्टन्स इज c. लेट L be the line with slope m and which makes y intercept c. So this is the line L having slope m which makes y intercept c. So line L meets the y-axis in the point B0C. So line L will intersect the y-axis at the point 0C. Let pxy be any point on the line other than B. P हा या लाइन वरचा कोणताही पॉइंट आहे फक्त B सोडून. Then the slope of the line L is, so slope of the line L means slope of the point, slope of the segment PB. So difference between y coordinate upon difference between x coordinate. So y minus a upon x minus 0. So this is the slope of line N. But it is given that slope of the line L is M. But already given that slope of the line is M. But every line has unique slope. So therefore, these slopes must be equal. So y minus c upon x minus 0 is equal to M. So y minus c upon x is equal to M. Y minus c x multiplied to RHS. So y minus c is equal to mx. So y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the equation of a line is slope intercept form. M is the slope and c is y intercept. Y is equal to mx plus c. हा फॉर्म कधी यूज करायचा जर आपल्याला त्या लाईनचा स्लोप माहित असेल आणि y इंटरसेप्ट माहित असेल त्यावेळी हा आपण स्लोप इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म यूज करून इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन काढणार. नेक्स्ट 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म. तर 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म मध्ये काय बघा, टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन व्हिच पासेस थ्रू द पॉइंट्स x1 y1 and bx2 y2. जर दोन पॉइंट मधून लाइन पास होत असेल आणि ते पॉइंट दिले असतील x1 y1 and bx2 y2. प्रूफ. So consider this is the line L which passes through the point x1 y1 bx2 y2. So x1 y1 and bx2 y2 are the two given points on the line L. Given points on the line L. Let pxy be any point on the line L other than n b. आपल्याला जनरल पॉइंट घ्यावाच लागतो इक्वेशन ऑफ लोकस करताना. pxy be any other point on the line L. Now points A and P lie on the line L. A and P lie on the same line L. So slope of the line L is difference between y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Difference between y coordinate upon difference between x coordinate. So slope of AP means slope of line L. Also point A and B lie on the line L. A and B both points lies on the same line L. So slope of line L is difference between y coordinate upon difference between x coordinate. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. But all the points P, A, B lies on the same line. So it has unique slope, same slope. So from 1 and 2 slopes are equal. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is now we can transfer this. So y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 आपण हे असं ट्रान्सफर करू शकतो. y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. Here y2 minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 is equal to here x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is the double intercept for 2 point form. Y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. ठीक आहे. तर हा फॉर्म यूज करून आपण जनरली हा फॉर्म यूज करणार आहे. The equation of line which passes through points x1 y1 and bx2 y2 is y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. जर दोन पॉइंट दिले असतील तर त्यामधून जाणाऱ्या लाईनचे इक्वेशन हे या फॉर्म मध्ये असतं. y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. हा डिफरन्स तुम्ही रिव्हर्स सुद्धा करू शकता. y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2, x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. Next 2 point so 2 point form. So this is coordinate system. A and B be the 2 points. This is the line passes through these 2 points, and equation of a line is y minus y1 upon y1 minus y2, x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2. What is the equation of line passes through the point 2, 3, 1, 2? So such type of questions are there for this 2 point form. Now to find the equation of the line, now double intercept form. To find the equation of the line which makes intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis, where A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0. समजा त्या लाईन x आणि y ऍक्सिस वर इंटरसेप्ट A आणि B केले असेल तर लाईनचे इक्वेशन कसं असेल, कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये असेल. So suppose this is the line which makes x intercept A and y intercept B. Let A be the x intercept and B be the y intercept of line L. So line L meets the x-axis in A0 and y-axis in 0B. Let Pxy be any point on the line L. आपण प्रत्येक फॉर्म डिराइव करताना Pxy हा जनरल पॉइंट घेतलेला आहे त्या लाईनवरचा. Slope of the line L, slope of AP, slope of the line L is same as slope of AP. That is, slope of line L is here y minus 0, x minus a, y minus 0. So slope of AP, y minus 0 upon x minus a. And here, so that is y upon x minus a. Slope of the line L, slope of AB, b minus 0 upon 0 minus a. So slope of AB is difference between y coordinate upon difference between x coordinate, b minus 0 upon 0 minus a, that is minus b upon a. From 1 and 2, we have, so slopes of the same line are equal. So y upon x minus a minus b upon a. Now we solve this equation. So multiply a to LHS and x minus a to RHS. So ay minus b times x minus a. So ay minus bx minus b into minus a. So plus ab. So ay plus bx is equal to ab. Ay plus bx is equal to ab. So divide both sides by ab. So x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So this is the double intercept form. If we are given both the intercepts, that is x and y intercepts of the line, we can find the equation of a line by using this double intercept form. X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the line L. The equation of the line which makes intercepts a and b on the coordinate axis is x minus a upon y minus b is equal to 1. So double intercept form. So this is x intercept, this one is y intercept. So this is the equation of a line in double intercept form. So there are the questions that can be asked. What are x and y intercept of the following lines? Type मध्ये question विचारू शकतो. Now we have the normal form. तर हा शेवटचा फॉर्म आहे, पाचवा फॉर्म आहे. हा सुद्धा इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. Let L be a line and segment ON be the perpendicular, that is normal drawn from the origin to the line L. Let L be the line. So this is the line L. ON be the perpendicular, that is normal. So there is perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line, that is ON, which is normal, drawn from origin to the line L. Let ON is P. So this is the perpendicular ON has length P. So this is the origin. Suppose this is the origin O, and this length of this ON is P. And let the ON makes angle alpha with the positive x-axis, and this ON makes an angle alpha with the positive x-axis. बघा, समजा length of perpendicular from the origin to the line, that is P, त्याची लांबी दिली असेल आणि त्या perpendicular ने x-axis से केलेला कोण अल्फा दिला असेल, तर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन काय असेल? Therefore, n is p cos alpha, p sin alpha. So as we have seen in complex number, r cos theta, r sin theta, even in definition of trigonometric function, if this is r and this is theta, then coordinates of this n are r cos theta, r sin theta. So here p cos alpha, p sin alpha be the coordinates of foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the line L, that is n, p cos alpha, p sin. The slope of ON is, so slope of ON is difference between y coordinate upon difference between x coordinate, that is ON. Origin O has the coordinates 0, 0. So difference between y coordinate upon difference between x coordinate. So p sin alpha minus 0, p cos alpha minus 0, that is p gets cancelled and tan alpha. So slope of ON is tan alpha. But ON is perpendicular to this line. ON is perpendicular to this line L. So therefore, slope of the line L will be negative reciprocal of slope of ON, that is minus 1 upon tan alpha. So, and it passes through the point p cos alpha, p sin alpha by the point slope form. Baga line L चा स्लोप काय असेल निगेटिव्ह रेसिप्रोकल -1/tan alpha, that is minus cot alpha. So this is y minus p sin alpha and slope minus cot alpha means cos alpha upon sin alpha x minus p cos alpha. इथं पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म वापरलेला आहे आपण. बघा n चे कोऑर्डिनेट्स माहित आहेत, या लाईनचा स्लोप माहित आहे. पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. या लाईन L चा स्लोप किती आहे minus cot alpha, minus that is minus cot alpha म्हणजे cos alpha upon sin alpha. sin alpha इकडे लेफ्ट हँड साइडला मल्टिप्लाय होईल y sin alpha minus p sin square alpha minus x cos alpha plus p cos square alpha. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Just term transfer केलेला आहे, and we know that famous identity sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. So we have the equation x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So this is the equation of a line in normal form. The equation of the line, the normal to which from the origin has length p and the normal makes angle alpha with the positive direction of the x-axis is x cos alpha minus y sin alpha is equal to p. बघा ओरिजिन पासून लाईन वर परपेंडिक्युलर टाकले, त्याची लांबी माहित पाहिजे आणि त्या परपेंडिक्युलरनं एक्स एक्स पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स. So we have seen the 5 forms: point slope form, slope intercept form, 2-point form, double intercept form, and normal form. Now we use these forms while solving the examples. So first example, the perpendicular drawn from the origin to a line has length 5, means normal has length 5, and the perpendicular makes angle 30 degree with the positive direction of the x-axis. Find the equation of the line. So we are given the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line, that is 5, and that perpendicular makes angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So this is the example in which we use the normal form. Solution: the perpendicular, that is normal, drawn from the origin to the line has length 5, so p is equal to 5, and the perpendicular, that is normal, makes angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So therefore theta is 30 degree. Now we have the normal form, that is x cos alpha. So equation of the required line, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Alpha is given, that is 30, and p is 5. So here x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to 5. इथं थीटाच्या ऐवजी अल्फा म्हणायला पाहिजे, अल्फा. So x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to 5. So x cos 30 is √3/2 plus y sin 30 is half is equal to 5. So √3x plus y is equal to 2 into 5, that is 10. So √3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of a line which satisfies the conditions given in the example. So now go for the second example. Reduce the equation √3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 into a normal form and find the values of p and alpha. Find the values of p and alpha. So solution: comparing √3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get, so a is equal to √3, b is equal to -1, and c is equal to -2. So divide both sides by √a square plus b square, that is 3 plus 1. √3 square 3, -1 square 1, 3 plus 1 4, square root of 4 is 2. So we divide both sides of this given equation by 2. So therefore √3/2 x minus 1/2 y minus 2/2, that is 1, -1 RHS la jaun +1. So this is equation in the normal form. Now here cos theta, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to 1. Cos theta is √3/2 and sin theta is -half. So we have to find the theta for which cos theta is root 3 by 2 and sin theta is minus half. So here sin is negative. So sin theta is equal to minus as it is, half म्हणजे sin 30. So sin is negative. Sin negative in third and fourth quadrant and cos positive. So this possible only in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant can be written as 2 pi minus theta. So sin theta is equal to 360 minus 330 degree. Here must be इथं 330 डिग्री असं पाहिजे, म्हणजे 360 वजा 330 म्हणजे 30. सो किंवा ठीक आहे, साइन 360 मायनस 30 किंवा हे नसलं तरी चालेल, साइन पाय मायनस थीटा मायनस साइन थीटा. सो देयरफॉर साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन 330 डिग्री. 360 minus 30, 330. So theta is 330 degree. So therefore cos 330 into x plus sin 330 into y is equal to 1 is the required normal form of the given equation. So this is the equation in normal form. P is आणि या normal form मध्ये P किती आहे 1 आहे and theta is 330 degree. Now find the equation of the line which containing the origin and having inclination 60 degree. So we have to find the equation of a line which containing the origin and having inclination 60 degree. So equation of a line through the origin and having slope m is of the form y is equal to mx. So this is the equation of a line having form y is equal to mx. So slope m is equal to tan of 60 degree. Inclination is given 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So the equation of the required line is y is equal to, putting the value of m, that is root 3. So root 3x. So this is the root 3x minus y is equal to 0. Required equation of a line. Now find the equation of the line which is passing through the point 3 minus 2. Having slope half. So we are given a point on the line and its slope. So definitely we will use the point slope form. So solution, by using point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m is equal to x minus m into x minus x1. So slope m is half and point x1 y1 is given 3 minus 2. So equation of the required line is y plus 2, y minus y1 here, but y1 is minus 2, minus plus 2 half times x minus 3. So this is 2y plus 4 x minus 3. 2 इकडे multiply झालेला आहे. 2y plus 4 is equal to x minus 3. So x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is the line passing through this point. This point will satisfy the equation of line. हा point equation of line satisfy करतो. Next example, find the equation of the line passing through the points A20 and B34. So we have to find the equation of line passing through these 2 points. So definitely we will use the 2-point form because we are given 2 points on the line. Solution, by using the 2 points form. Here x1 y1 corresponds to 2 0 and x2 y2 corresponds to 3 4. So we have the 2-point form, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. The equation of the required line is, so putting the values, x1 2 and x2 is here 3 and y1 0 and y2 4. So x minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 1. And y minus 0, y upon 4. So 4 times x minus 2 is equal to y. So 4x minus 8 is equal to y. So 4x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the line passing through these 2 points. If we can verify that. So these both the points satisfy the equation of this line. So 2 0 satisfies the equation and 3 4. 12 minus 12, that is 0. If आता हे दोन्ही पॉइंट इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करतात, आपण सोडवलेला आन्सर बरोबर आहे. Now go for the next example. Find the equation of the line having slope minus 3 by 4 and y-intercept 5. So we are given the slope of a line minus 3 by 4, that is m, and y-intercept, that is c. We are given c, 5. So by using the slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c, now we just substitute the values. M is equal to minus 3 by 4 and c is equal to 5 in the above equation. So the equation of the required line is y is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x plus 5. So 3 minus 3x plus 20. After solving this, we will get the 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line. Now we have find the equation of the line making intercept 3 and 6 on the coordinate axis. x intercept 3 दिलेला आहे, y intercept 6 दिलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन विचारलेला आहे. सो म्हणजे दोन्ही इंटरसेप्ट दिलेले आहेत. बाय युजिंग डबल इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So x intercept a is 3, y intercept b is 6. So by putting a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6, so this is the line. So 6x plus 3y minus 18. So after taking common, the equation of line is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of line that making intercept 3 and 6 on the coordinate axis. Next, find the equation of the line which contains the point A13 and the sum of whose intercepts on the coordinate axis is 0. Now we have to find the equation of the line which contains the point 13 and the sum of whose intercepts on the coordinate axis is 0. Solution: let m be the slope of the line. So equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. But this line passes through the point 13, so it will satisfy the equation. So y minus 3 is equal to m into x minus 1. So y minus 3, mx minus m. So mx minus y plus m minus 3. So this is equation of the line. So here must be 3 minus m. It should be 3 minus m here. इथं बघा 3 minus m पाहिजे. Consider the example. Find the equation of the line which contains the point A13 and the sum of whose intercepts on the coordinate axis is 0. So we have to find the equation of the line passing through 13 and sum of whose intercepts on the coordinate axis is 0. Solution: let m be the slope of the line. So equation of the line by point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This line passes through the point A13, so it will satisfy the equation. So y minus 3 is equal to mx minus 1. So y minus 3 mx minus m. So mx minus y is equal to m minus 3. So this is the equation of a line. Now we write this equation in double intercept form so that we can get both the intercepts, and we use the condition sum of whose intercepts on coordinate axis is 0, and we will find the slope m. So this equation can be written as divide both sides by m minus 3. So mx upon m minus 3 minus y upon m minus 3 is equal to 1. So x upon m minus 3 upon m plus हा माइनस आहे तो इथं साइन चेंज केलेला आहे 3 minus m plus y upon 3 minus m is equal to 1. So this is in double intercept form. X intercept is m minus 3 upon m, y intercept is 3 minus m. We are given the sum of the intercept on the coordinate axis is 0. So this is m minus 3 upon m and 3 minus m is equal to 0. Now we solve this equation and we will find the values of m. So m minus 3 plus 3m minus m square upon m. So ratio of these two quantities 0. So numerator must be equal to 0. M minus 3 plus 3m minus m square. So m square minus m square त्या साइडला पाठवलं तर प्लस m square, 4m त्या साइडला तर minus 4m, minus 3 त्या साइडला पाठवलं तर plus 3, किंवा throughout multiply both side by minus sign minus 1. So we have the equation, quadratic equation in m. So we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So what are the numbers whose product is 3 and sum is minus 4? So 3 and 1 are the numbers whose product is 3 and sum is 4. So therefore, m is equal to 1 or 3. Now putting this value, equations of lines are, so there are two lines. There are two lines which satisfy the conditions given in the example. So putting m is equal to 1 in this equation, so x minus y is equal to 1 minus 3. So x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the one line which passes through the point A13 and sum of whose intercepts is 0. And other line, put m is equal to 3 here. So 3x minus y, 3 minus 3 is 0. So 3x minus y is equal to 0. So this is the other line. This line passes through origin. Both the intercepts are 0, 0. So 1, 3 satisfies this equation and both the intercepts are 0. Next example, find the equations of the altitudes of the triangle whose vertices are A25, B6 minus 1 and C minus 4 minus 3. A25, B6 minus 1 and C minus 4 minus 3. Solution. So consider triangle A25, coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So this is the altitude AD drawn from the vertex A to the opposite side BC. So we have to find this equation of the altitude AD. आता हे कसं फाइंड आउट करणार बघा, पहिल्यांदा स्लोप ऑफ BC करणार. First we will find the slope of BC. AD altitude is perpendicular to BC. So slope of AD is negative reciprocal of slope of BC. And we know the point on this AD 25. So by point slope form, we can find the equation of the altitude AD. Slope of side BC is, so minus 3 minus of minus plus 1 upon minus 4 minus 6. So this is the slope of the side BC. AD perpendicular to BC, altitude AD is perpendicular to BC. So slope of side AD or slope of altitude AD is negative reciprocal of this, that is minus 5. Now A25 is x1, y1. By point slope form, equation of altitude AD is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 5, this is the point 25 through which AD passes. So y minus 5 is equal to minus 5 times x minus 2. Now we solve this equation, minus 5x minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10. So 5x plus y minus 15 is equal to 0. So this is the one of the altitude passes through the vertex A. So this is the equation of the altitude AD. So similarly, we can find remaining two altitudes from passing through point B and from point C. तर अशा प्रकारे राहिलेले दोन सुद्धा अल्टिट्यूड काढू शकतो. आपल्याला प्रश्न असा सुद्धा विचारू शकतात, फाइंड द ऑर्थो सेंटर. ऑर्थो सेंटर मीन्स इट इज पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ अल्टिट्यूड्स ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल. त्यामुळे त्यानुसार सुद्धा आपण दोन इक्वेशन काढून ते दोन इक्वेशन सॉल्व्ह केले तर आपल्याला ऑर्थो सेंटर भेटतो. सो विच इज रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ अल्टिट्यूड AD. सो सिमिलरली वी कॅन फाइंड इक्वेशन्स ऑफ रिमेनिंग अल्टिट्यूड्स B and CF. ठीक आहे, एक इथं संदर्भासाठी सोडून दाखवलेला आहे. दुसरा एक्झाम्पल, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर ऑफ साइड्स perpendicular bisector of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are P minus 1, 8, Q 4 minus 2, R minus 5 minus 3. So we are given the vertices of the triangle and we are asked to find the bisectors of the triangle. Now we will find only one bisector. Similarly, you can find the remaining perpendicular bisector of the sides. So this is the triangle here. So this is perpendicular bisector of side QR. So this line is perpendicular to QR and it bisects the side QR, making equal parts of side QR. S be the point of intersection of side QR and this bisector. So S is the midpoint of side QR. So by using midpoint formula, we can find the coordinates of the point S. So so we will get this 1 point on the bisector. Now how to find the slope? We can find the slope of the QR. Slope of QR. Now, and the line is perpendicular to QR. So slope of line L is negative reciprocal of slope of QR. So in this way, we can get the slope of this vertical line L, perpendicular line L, and the point on which that is S, coordinates of point. So by using point slope form, we can find the equation of perpendicular bisector of side QR. Let S be the midpoint of QR. So by midpoint formula, yes, that is 4 minus 5 upon 2 and minus 2 minus 3 upon 2. Okay. By midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So S is equal to minus half and y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Slope of QR is, now slope of QR, difference between y coordinate upon difference between x coordinate. So minus 3 plus 2 and minus 5 minus 4. So this is minus 1 upon 9. So 1 upon 9. Slope of QR is, slope of this side QR is 1 upon 9. But perpendicular by, therefore, L is perpendicular to QR. L is perpendicular to QR. So slope of L is minus 9. Slope of L is minus 9. हे बघा QR चा स्लोप 1/9 म्हणून या लाइन परपेंडिकुलर बायसेक्टरचा स्लोप निगेटिव्ह रेसिप्रोकल -9 m1 into m2 is equal to -1 त्यानुसार. So by point slope form, equation of perpendicular bisector L is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus of minus 5/2 is equal to -9, x minus of minus half, that is plus half. आता इथं denominator same केलेला आहे 2y plus 5 upon 2, here -9, 2x plus 1 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled. So 2y plus 5 is equal to -9 times 2x plus 1. So 2y plus 5 minus 18x minus 9. So 18x plus 2y plus 14 is equal to 0. After taking 2 common from each term, 9x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the equation of one of the perpendicular bisector of sides of triangle PQR. Similarly, we can find the remaining perpendicular bisectors of the side PQ and PR. So which is required equation of